Walking, walking, walking. The nature.
On the trail right now.
Gotcha.
Can't see down there?
I think that's a house.
Nope, that's where we're going.
Which way do we go, Dad?
This way.
There's some big steps. And then the wall.
It's the moss.
Look at that green stuff. Yeah. Stuff is cool. Watch out for the branch. You see there's other people walking too. And all this nature and stuff. That's where we're going. Hey y'all. A bench. You can just sit up here and meditate. Different kinds.
You know what that is?
No.
Baby pine tree. I knew it was
And we're going to that destination.
Wow, I get so much of this green stuff on it.
The moss.
Is it lost moss? It's supposed to punch you back to the knee. If you get lost in the woods, you can use moss to find your way back to civilization.
Say it again, Dad.
Nope.
Why? He said if you find moss and you get lost in the woods, you'll find your way back to civilization. There's another tree, but
Moss goes on the south side of the trees.
It goes on the south side of the trees.
There's nothing on the back side. Have to delete that now.
Nuh-uh. Look at that. That's cool.
Whoa.
And it got really much colder over here.
Oh, damn, I had to do it immediately.
And this stuff is awesome.
How you guys doing? Good, how you doing? Good.
Oh, I'm getting dripped on.
Oh dang, yeah, the water's dripping off right there.
This is so beautiful. It's a mountain.
Look, all that stuff just...
Yeah, it's a mountain.
Dang.
You see all that? It's a mountain. My phone's gonna die.
Yeah,
Got the baby clover leaf.
You see that it's dripping off?